Hey guys, River Tramp Renegade. Wanted to make an update video. It's been a while since that last video where I did the tour of the van, and a lot has changed. We bought a new house. My business is doing well. My real estate sales and our rental properties and things like that. So this summer's been a good summer. I did get to take the van out a few times and camp in it, go kayaking, things like that, but I didn't use it as much as I wanted to, and that's just my fault. I've just been too busy. But with that, the van sat outside a lot. So when we moved now, the garage, the door is lower than the other one, so I couldn't get the van inside. So the weather was really starting to wear on the van. Not a whole lot, but I was seeing the drip rails starting to rust. I just didn't like seeing it sitting there and not getting used because I didn't use it as much as I wanted to. So I did put the van for sale. I was going to make a video about it and offer it to you guys and see if anybody was interested, but I didn't think it would sell as quick as it did. I put it on Craigslist for $5,000 and it sold in a day. I did keep some of the things out of it, but nothing that was attached. I kept my fridge, I kept my toilet, all my camping gear, my stove and things, but the 12-volt system, the roof rack, all of that stayed with the van. So I really hope the guy that bought the van enjoys it. I think he will. He bought it, he travels for work, so that's going to save him some money for hotels and whatnot, but I'm happy for him. I hope he gets some use out of it, more use than I did. But I did get a new toy, and I wanted to share that toy with you, so show you what I have. Alright, well, here it is. What I bought with the money from selling the van was this Jeep. I didn't spend all the money, so I have some money left to do some things to the Jeep. I have a couple things in mind. I want to get a roof rack, and some other things. They don't make a whole lot for these Grand Cherokees. It's a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It does already have the lift, some wheels and tires, so that's a good thing. But I spent about half of what I sold the van for, and I got this, but it's not perfect. It does have a little oil leak. Where the oil filter screws on, the little adapter, it's leaking around that gasket, so I've got to get that fixed. The headliner, let me show you in here. The headliner is pretty much gone. I don't know if you can see, but it's just this, foam. The cloth is gone. So I've got to take that fiberglass piece out and then put some new fabric on it. But I did that with the van, so it's not anything that I haven't done before. But the rest of the van is in good, or the Jeep, excuse me, is in good shape. It's got like leather seats. It doesn't have a radio, but it's pretty good shape for what it is. It's got 164,000 miles on it, but I don't know much about it other than that I did buy it from a dealership, and I didn't call the previous owner. I drove it, tested it out. It runs good, it drives good. It does have some new parts on it, like a new radiator. The computer looks new, so I don't know if it's had issues before, but I'm sure something has happened where they would have changed those parts. So I don't know if it was overheating, if it had a blown head gasket or anything, but I've driven it for 2 days, and it seems to be doing great. So I'm excited about it. With the Jeep, I'll be able to go down to some other trails that I wasn't able to get to with the van, so that's going to be cool. I'll just throw my kayak on the top there on the rack, and I'll probably just tent camp. I am probably going to rig up a 12-volt outlet in the back for my refrigerator, but as far as the power goes, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. I may put a battery isolator on here and put an auxiliary battery to run my fridge, but I don't really need the 12-volt power that I had in the van, because when I was in the van I had all those other accessories to run, and with the Jeep I'm going to be limited on what I can actually put in there and what I need. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys stick around and watch my videos and just follow along on the Jeep build and camping with the Jeep. But it's almost Thanksgiving, and then we're gonna have Christmas and things, so I probably won't be out driving around in it for a few months as far as camping and adventuring. Maybe we'll get some decent weather for it. I might try to get it out if it snows, but I live here in rural western Kentucky, so it might snow 2 to 3 inches a year, and that's it. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Y'all have a good one.